I wrote this song, which is a true story of the world's largest steam locomotive, its restoration and return to the rails, called Big Boy, King of the Railroad. They call me the big boy, number 4014, the biggest steam locomotive the world has ever seen. I was proud to be the one they called to pull the heaviest loads over the Wasatch Mountains. I was king of the railroad, king of the railroad. I went to work for Union Pacific in 1941. I'm 132 feet long, I weigh 600 tons. I carry 25,000 gallons of water and 28 tons of coal. The power of 6,000 horses, I was king of the railroad, king of the railroad. I got 16 6-foot driving wheels to power me over the hills, through the blistering heat of the summer and winter's lonesome chills. Over 20 years and 1,000,000 miles, across the rails I'd fly. Folks would walk a country mile to wave as I passed by. They'd wave as I passed by. Diesels came, took my job, they retired me to a shed. I sat idle for 50 years, they left me for dead. Lonely and forgotten, I sat and gathered rust. All my working gears got stiff, my bearings full of dust. They took me in for restoration in 2016. Over 3 long years they took me apart, rebuilt me piece by piece. Now I go on tour each summer and crowds all swarm to me. Adoring crowds take pictures, their faces filled with glee. It's me they've come to see. They call me the big boy, number 4014, the biggest steam locomotive the world has ever seen. I was proud to be the one they called to pull the heaviest loads over the Wasatch Mountains. I was king of the railroad, king of the railroad.